How to get the Canva Pro for free, or whether it is possible to get the Canva Pro for free or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Canva application. Wait for some time until the screen loads. Now at the bottom right corner you will find an option for Pro. Simply tap on it. Now on this page you will find an option for get 14-day free trial. Simply tap on it. Now tap on Start My Free Trial. Now select the subscription. Now click on Start Trial and subscribe. Now tap on Add Credit Card or Debit Card. Now add your payment method to get 14 days free trial. Once the once 14 days is over, you can cancel the subscription anytime. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.